In the dark, fear crawls into you. You try to find a little hope before it's gone. Faith that lies hidden in your heart. Chase the light, it will guide your way tonight. Let the glow of night unfold as it turns to flame. When you face this fight in time, you'll see the light. Stay brave till the end of night. You're strong. Up in you, don't hold on tight to the journey you're sent on. Every heart was weak and knew its flaws. Now you're strong, ready to move on. Let a glow of night unfold as it turns to flame.